So today we are in chapter integer and we will be discussing about the introduction to integer from the beginning only. सबसे पहले बेटा integers are the collection of numbers and its negative including zero. ठीक है, integers are the collection of numbers and their negatives and including zero. For example, if you talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, including zero, I have taken it now, and negative of these all natural numbers as well. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. So remember, this whole collection is called integer. सबसे पहला काम, ठीक है? This whole collection. So remember, all the natural numbers, their negatives and including zero, it becomes the collection, and that collection is known as integer. ठीक है? Now you must be knowing integer can be represented in the form of a number line. So number line can be in this way, horizontal, or the number line can be vertical as well. ठीक है? If you take it the number line in the form of horizontal, you will be knowing that on the right hand side will be the positive numbers. On the left hand side, the numbers will be in the negative condition, and in between number come as zero, because zero is a neutral number which is neither positive and nor negative. Okay, here if you will be taking it from the right side of direction, you will move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm not taking much more numbers. And then in the negative way, if you move -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. ठीक है? अब now you must be knowing, I have also taught you this, that जितना ज्यादा आप right side की तरफ जाते हो, जितना भी आप right direction पे होते हो, you will be always having the number greater and greater and greater. ठीक है? And how much you will be moving to the left direction, you will be moving to the shorter and shorter or smaller, you can call it. ठीक है? तो अगर मैं बात करूं -3 की और 4 की, and you will see that -3 is written on left and 4 is written on right side. That is why 4 is greater here. ठीक है? और you can call it, right side पर हमेशा positive number है, left पर हमेशा negative number है. So always remember, the positives are always greater than the negative one. ठीक है? Now if you talk about every negative number and zero, तो अगर आप देखोगे हर नेगेटिव नंबर लेफ्ट पे है और जीरो जो है वो लेफ्ट वाले से राइट में, यहाँ पर राइट में है. Every negative number is on left and zero is on their right. It means zero is greater from all negatives. ठीक है? जीरो जो होता है वो हर नेगेटिव नंबर से बड़ा होता है. तो आई एम राइटिंग इट, नेगेटिव से बड़ा कौन होता है? जीरो. ठीक है? और अगर हम पॉजिटिव और जीरो को देखें, so every positive number is on right side of zero. Every positive number is on right side of zero. So here positive number will be greater than zero. ठीक है? And always remember, when you talk about negative and positive, positive are on right hand side. ठीक है? So negative and here this side positive, means positives are greater than negative. ठीक है? These are the three condition which comes from number line. ठीक है? और याद रखिएगा, if you will get two numbers to pick it, like for 2 and 3, and you will be talking about इन दोनों में से बड़ा कौन हुआ, तो याद रखिए जो नंबर राइट साइड में होगा वो हो जाएगा बड़ा. तो 2 and 3 में बड़ा कौन? 3 is always greater because 2. Can you fine? The answer would be -2. -5 और -2 में -2 बड़ा होगा because -2 की अगर हम बात करें, so it is on right hand side and -5 is on left hand side. So फटाफट से I will tell you to take out your fair copy and select which number, put the sign of comparison. Put the sign of comparison between these numbers. Start doing in the chat box, please. the sign. So here you can see I have given you many questions related to the comparison where you have to put the sign of greater, less or equal. So सबसे first वाला you must be knowing this is -3, this is -5. So -3, but obvious it will be greater because it will be on the right hand side. Then -500 and -1000. So but obvious it would be -500 will be greater here. Now moving on to 0 and -10, 0 will be greater. Then moving on to -10 and -101, it will be -10, which will be greater here. Then moving on to 5 and -5, 5 will be greater. And last, -5, which will give you 5, and this is 5, so it will be the sign equal to in between them. Now, please write it down in the chat box whose all the answers are correct. So we are going to discuss addition of integer, and I will be telling you two methods. The first method on number line, for example, -2 plus -3, or it could be any one positive, one negative, or it can be one negative, one positive, or both are positive. So whatever the way will be, either it is positive positive or negative positive, whatsoever the question comes. Remember, जब हम addition करते हैं बेटा, तो हमारे पास ये साइन होता है प्लस का, दैट इज द एडिशन साइन, प्लस वाला साइन. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस साइन, ये इन लोगों का पर्सनल साइन है, ये इन लोगों का पर्सनल साइन है. माइनस होना या प्लस होना जो ब्रैकेट में लिखा होता है, दैट इज देयर पर्सनल क्वालिटी, either they are positive or they are negative. But when you talk about this sign, I am talking about this one. ठीक है, this is the sign of addition here. तो याद रखिए, जब भी हम एडिशन की बात करते हैं, वी मूव ऑन टू द राइट साइड, वी मूव ऑन टू द राइट साइड. So suppose if I put it here 0 and here I am putting this one, sorry, here I am putting 0, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4, this is -5, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the question is telling you have to add -2 to -3. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, -2 पे पहुंच जाएंगे जहां से हमें शुरुआत करनी है, from where we have to start. So now I am on -2 and the question is telling you have to move on to the direction of right side. Here why right side? Because you are moving on to, एक minute, sorry, I have done little bit of changes, sorry. हाँ, it is telling here -3, ठीक है, it is telling here -3 and -3 यहाँ पर right side पे जाना है, but it is telling here minus. This is the sign of minus here. तो माइनस किस डायरेक्शन पे होता है बेटा, लेफ्ट के डायरेक्शन पे होता है. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, we will be moving to how many steps here, 3 steps, and this is -3 unit. How many times of unit you have to move to -3 unit? So what we will be doing it here, 1, 2 and 3. It is 3 unit and 3 unit in negative direction because it is here negative sign. So now we will be getting the answer. We will be stopping on -5. So our answer would be here -5. Okay. So the answer would be -5. Remember, when you do addition or we do subtraction, we just walk along with the units. जितने नंबर्स वहां लिखे होते हैं उतनी यूनिट हम लोग शिफ्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपका क्वेश्चन ये ना आकर के, अगर आपका क्वेश्चन ये होता, you need -5 then plus you need to have 3. ठीक है, so again the same thing you will do, you will have -5 here, you will have -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Suppose this is our number line. Now the question is telling you have to start with -5. तो पहले हम लोग रहेंगे -5 पे, उसके बाद it is plus, it means we have to move on right side of the direction and it is written here +3. +3 मतलब you have to move 3 steps, 3 units on the side of right side because there is no negative sign here. So 1, 2 and 3. So here we are reaching on -2. So our answer is -2. This is the addition on number line. Now let me tell you how to do addition on how to do addition without using number line. ठीक है, how to do addition without using number line. So for that particular thing आपको हमेशा एक चीज याद रखनी है बेटा कि जब भी हम बात करते हैं both the numbers are positive, अगर दोनों के दोनों नंबर जो हैं वो दोनों के दोनों पॉजिटिव हो या दोनों के दोनों नेगेटिव हो, ठीक है, if they have the same sign, if they have same sign, they will be always added, they will be always added. If the numbers are having the same sign, they will always be added, and in answer the sign will always be of the greater number, ठीक है. For example 2 and 3, जब आप ऐड करोगे इट विल गिव यू 5 एंड दोनों नेगेटिव थे एंड 3 बड़ा है तो साइन आ गया किसका, -5 का, ठीक है. इट मींस द आंसर वुड बी हियर -5, -2 plus -3 it will give you -5. The same thing, both are positive, they will be added, and here it will be 7 plus 5 which will give us 12, and दोनों में positive का sign है, so it would be positive only. So now suppose if I will give you -5 and I will give you -15, can you tell me what answer will you get it? Please write it down in the chat box. फटाफट से लिखिए, what is the answer here? Three questions I gave you here and I want answer in the chat box of all three. So here let's see. -5 -15 will give you -20, ठीक है. -10 और -8 मिलाकर it will give you -18, and the last one -3 -5 -11 all three are on negative, it will give you -19. The answer would be -19. Now I want to see who are the correct students. So now we are going to discuss when one is positive and another one is negative. ठीक है, अभी तक हमने देखा कि या तो दोनों positive हो या तो दोनों negative हो. But what if sign are changed? If both are of different sign. For example, if it is -3 and 8, one is negative, another one is positive. In that case, what will you do, beta? You will always subtract. Okay, you will always subtract. Remember, if the numbers are with same sign, they will be added always. But numbers are in negative, then remember they are always subtracted. अगर दोनों numbers same sign के होंगे तो add हो जाएंगे, और अगर दोनों numbers different sign के होंगे तो subtract हो जाएंगे. तो यहाँ पर 8 में से 3 जाएगा, answer will be 5, and remember which will be greater here? 8 is greater. In quantity, 8 is greater. So 8 अगर बड़ा है तो sign will be positive only, and the plus sign is like Mr. India. If you put, fine. If you don't put, that is also fine. ठीक है? So here, suppose if the question is -11 plus 5. So remember 11 and 5 both are of different sign, so they will subtract. 11 में से 5 गया बचा 6. And remember यहाँ पर 11 is greater. 11 is greater मतलब sign will be here -6, sorry. The number will be here -6. Now I am putting some questions over here. You tell me the answers whether it is correct or not. So as you all can see, the questions which is written on the board, it's -20 plus 5, and that is one positive, one negative. It means they will be subtracted. So it will give you -15 because 20 is the greater number, है ना? Then moving on to the next one, it's -5 and this is -3. So when you will be adding these two, it will give you -8 because both are having the same sign, and this is 23. So because one positive, one negative, so they will get subtracted. So it will give you here 15. Okay, and the sign will be positive only because 23 is a greater number. Now moving on to the next one, 20 will be separate here, plus -2, -3, -5. So 5, 3, 8, 8, 2, 10. It will give you -10. And when you will solve it, it will give you here +10. Because one is positive, one is negative, so they will get subtracted. Now moving on to the last one, -20 -5, it will give you here -25, and this is here +2 and plus, and -3 plus 3. So you are knowing it's -3 plus 3, they will get cancelled and they will give you 0 because 3 में से 3 जाएगा, it will give you 0. it will be here 0, which we don't need to write. Now answer would be minus 23, as minus 25 plus 2 both are of different signs, so answer would be minus 23. Now please raise your hand and tell me who's all correct. Not all correct, you can show it with the form of smiley also, section part. Remember, now we are moving on subtraction, and remember subtraction के लिए हमको दो चीजों की जरूरत है, मल्टीप्लाई के कॉन्सेप्ट की भी. और याद रखिए मल्टीप्लाई के कॉन्सेप्ट में क्या किया जाता है, व्हेन यू आर हैविंग माइनस साइन विथ माइनस साइन coming together, remember the sign gives you plus. When you have minus sign coming with plus sign, you need to have minus sign. Bas, you need to focus on this too. If you have plus and minus coming together, you will get it minus. If you are having two minus coming together, you are having the sign of plus. For example, let me tell you here. Now look at here. Minus and minus 2, if written together, answer would be plus 2. And if it is written minus here 3, it will give you plus 3. If it is written here minus and it is written here inside only 3, it means अंदर कोई साइन नहीं है, मतलब अंदर प्लस का साइन है, तो प्लस माइनस माइनस 3. Okay, suppose it is written here minus 5 and this is written here minus 5 inside, like it will give you plus 5. ठीक है, सपोज यहाँ पर है प्लस और यहाँ पर है अंदर माइनस का साइन, it will give you plus minus minus. It means two different sign coming together will give you only sign of minus, and two same sign coming together will give you plus sign. ठीक है, so this is all about the sign conversion. अब अगर क्वेश्चन आ गया आपका ऐसा वाला, now look at here. Just I'll take you 1 minute here, take yours. Now suppose the question is minus 5 minus minus 8 plus minus 3. ये क्वेश्चन इतना बड़ा और आपको उसको सॉल्व करना है. हाउ विल यू डू दैट? सबसे पहला काम, ओपन द ब्रैकेट. Open the bracket now, and when you will open the bracket, how will you open it? Now look at here. इसके सामने कोई साइन नहीं है, तो ये ओपन होकर के यही रहेगा, -5 ही रहेगा, तो उसको हमने कुछ नहीं किया. Now look at here. This is minus and this is minus coming together will give you here plus 8. ठीक है? This minus and this minus will come together will give you minus minus plus, which will be giving you plus 3. अब ये क्वेश्चन बन गया हमारा पुराना क्वेश्चन, जैसे हमें अच्छा लगता था. कैसे अच्छा लगता था? -5 एज इट इज रहेगा, 8 और 3 दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे, which will give you 11 here. 8 3 11 होता है, और 11 में से 5 गया, बचा हमारे पास 6, और 11 बड़ा है तो साइन आ गया +6. ओके, टेल मी अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? नाउ पुष्परंजन इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन. वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन पुष्प. एक मिनट बता देती हूँ बेटा मैं, इसका आंसर आएगा -3 minus minus 9. He has written this question. Now look at here. -3 will remain like this because bracket के सामने कुछ है ही नहीं ओपन करने के लिए. But here minus minus will come together will give you here plus, and now you will solve it. That 9 में से 3 गया, कितना बचेगा? 6. So answer would be 6. ठीक है, so this is the process of subtracting, and I have taught you the multiplication also in this way, because multiplication will also be the same. Like what you need to do, you need to just multiply the number together and the sign will be multiplied commonly. Like suppose I will give you one question to explain it to you so that integer will get over completely. Suppose the question is like -5 multiplied by -3. What will you do? First you will multiply the signs. -5 से -3 जब मल्टीप्लाई करना तो 5 3 हो जाएगा 15, and minus will make you plus. It will give you here 50. Suppose the question will be -3 multiplied by -6. What will you do? 6 and 3 will get multiplied, which will give us 18, and minus will give you here plus, which you need to write or you don't write. Okay. Shubhanshu has written -3 plus 19. It will give you -3 plus 19 you gave me beta. 13 है, sorry, it's -13. So beta what you just need to do, -13 को कुछ नहीं करेंगे because there is no sign outside the bracket. plus ही होता है बेटा, so it will give you 19. 19 में से 13 गया, बच्चा हमारे पास 6. फिनिश।
यस
ठीक है, 19 में से 13 जाएगा, बचेगा ये